Am I the only one who thinks the existing furnitures are not working anymore? So I used to have an IKEA bookshelf, which is pretty dark, and that was not working. So when I realized that was kind of dangerous for my kids because they could reach any shelf they want, so I bought doors for the cabinet. You can actually get that from IKEA. I installed the doors and there was a baby lock on it, and I thought it looked kind of boring. Then just for fun I did some DIYs and it turned out to be okay. It was okay for the prayer room, but it didn't look great for the TV unit. We moved to a new house and we are back in California, and even though the TV was installed on the wall, I thought we need a TV unit, and I just used that cabinet for that, and it did not look good. Okay, so I had to do some DIYs and I had to change the look. I thought it would be really fun if someone else is also ready to do some DIYs and we can do it together. So I called Courtney, she is in Australia, and let's check out. Hey Courtney.
Oh, hey girl, what's up?
Yeah, so listen, I have a perfect idea to collab this week. How about IKEA hacks?
Oh my gosh, that's such a good idea. I was just talking to my subscribers about
Really?
this bookshelf here behind me.
Oh my gosh.
I've been using it as shoe storage in my garage, but it doesn't fit in at all. So I'm going to try some IKEA hacks on it as well. Thank you. Such a good idea.
You're welcome, and that sounds great, girl. Let's do this.
Well, let's get into it.
Can't wait to see your products. See you in a bit. Okay, she agreed. So let's do this. And by the way, just check her channel, guys. She is amazing. She has great skill in fashion, in decoration, in organization. I just love her channel and I just keep watching all her videos again and again. It's so interesting and so much fun. You should also check it out. I will give her link in the description box below, so you can just go and say her hi. Anyway, so let's get dirty. So this is the famous cabinet I was talking about. Now first thing first, I have to sand the surface clean as much as I can. I will be using this stone sander this time. No fancy equipment, nothing, just a simple stone. I'm not gonna lie, this is the most annoying step in the whole project, and my fingers were pretty sore after I finished sanding the whole surface. I would have done this before, but I am doing it now anyway. You can buy gold bracket from any place, but I wasn't that lucky and I only found these silver one. Then just painted them gold with a spray paint. Anyway, I'm done sanding and you can see the amount of dust. So I took a microfiber towel and cleaned up as much as possible. Okay, so I just used whatever I had at home. I would recommend you to buy chalk pens for these kind of project. I wanted to give it a distressed vintage look, and that's why I am gonna use this light blue, celery green, and little bit of antique copper and antique gold. First, I'm gonna cover the borders blue. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cover the middle part green. You may notice that the basic black color can be seen, and that was intentional. Then I will use a few drops of blue randomly and blend them with the background in such way so that it looks imperfect yet perfect, if you know what I mean by that. I'm sure you can see it. Now I'll be taking some antique copper and randomly dab on the brackets. They should look rusted and aged. I had some dryer handles at home and I'm just gonna reuse them. So this time I painted them copper, let it dry, and then took some gold paint and dab on it in the same way. The cabinet is dry now. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the brackets first and then the handles. So there you go. I left the top part intentionally. I already had this shelf from IKEA and I painted one side white. Then I will apply some multi-purpose glue on the unpainted side and place it on top of the cabinet. By the way, those marks on my arms are just marker, don't worry about it, and done by my 4-year-old. Now securing it with some long screw. As this is going to be a TV unit, it must have a hole in the back for the electronics. You can either drill a hole, which you can buy from the IKEA, or just use some blade cutter and cut out a big piece from the back. Finally, to protect the cabinet, I will be applying some clear semi-gloss polyurethane. As I was being little cheap and used simple acrylic paints, which I shouldn't have, I applied 3 to 4 coats of polyurethane instead of 1 for extra protection. Then I will just let it dry for one night and my brand new vintage TV unit is ready to display. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, and click that bell icon so that you can watch my videos as soon as they're up on YouTube, because I upload every week. And if you have any question regarding this video, if you want to know more detail about it, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know what you think and what is your opinion, because that means the world to me. I love you guys so much. I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay well, and stay tuned. Bye.